All right, so here's how you fix error 1434 restoring an iPod. So this tutorial is only for iPod Classic 6th and 7th generations. Pop it up, connect to your computer, use iTunes to restore. Okay, so first of all, I've got this PowerBook G4 12-inch. So here we go, I've got my iPod. We're gonna plug it in to my PowerBook here. It's gonna pop up on iTunes. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit restore. And so we've got error 1434. So the way you fix this is simply by unplugging the iPod and plugging it right back in. So there it is. As you can see, the restore proceeds without a hitch. So this is only a problem on Mac versions of iTunes. So from the PowerPC versions all the way up to my 2025 MacBook Air. Not a problem on Windows versions of iTunes or the Apple Devices app for Windows 10 11. This error only presents itself with freshly formatted storage. So I'm talking brand new micro SD card, anything that's been erased, as in properly reformatted, it's gonna pop up error 1434 the first time you attempt to restore it. All right, so it looks like it's finished the restore and the iPod is up here on iTunes.